Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Niagara Falls, the most powerful waterfall in America. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is Niagara Falls made up of just one waterfall? No, it includes three waterfalls: American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Is Niagara Falls located only in the United States? No, it lies on the border between the US and Canada. Do more than 3,000 tons of water flow over the falls every second? Yes, over 3,000 tons of water flow per second. Was Niagara Falls formed last year? No, it was formed over 12,000 years ago. Is the Horseshoe Falls the smallest of the three? No, it's the largest. Can people take boat tours near the falls? Yes, many tourists ride the Maid of the Mist. Does Niagara Falls provide hydroelectric power? Yes, it helps generate electricity for the region. Has the location of the falls changed over time? Yes, the falls have moved upstream due to erosion. Have people gone over the falls in barrels? Yes, some daredevils have attempted this dangerous stunt. Is Niagara Falls known for being quiet and gentle? No, it's powerful, loud, and full of energy. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.